In this video, we compare DJI Mini 4 Pro Combo and DJI Mini 3 drone. By the end of this video, we hope you will know which of these two products suits your needs. The DJI Mini 4 Pro Combo is a lightweight drone that doesn't require registration for recreational use, making it an ideal choice for beginners and hobbyists. It offers stunning 4K 60 FPS HDR video capabilities, capturing striking footage of sunrises, sunsets, and night scenes with remarkable clarity. The drone features omnidirectional obstacle sensing, significantly reducing the risk of collisions and providing a safer flying experience. With the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, the DJI Mini 4 Pro can achieve extended flight times of up to 45 minutes per battery, enabling longer, uninterrupted flights. The drone provides real-time, high-quality aerial footage with 20km FHD video transmission, offering immersive, lag-free viewing experiences. The DJI Mini 4 Pro also offers customizable intelligent tracking with active shots 360 degrees, making it easy to capture smooth, professional-grade videos. The DJI Mini 3 drone is incredibly lightweight and compact, making it the perfect travel companion for adventures varying from hikes to beach days. With the use of the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, the drone can extend its flight time up to 51 minutes, providing ample time to capture your desired shots. The DJI Mini 3 drone delivers stunning 4K HDR video, ensuring crystal clear aerial shots both during the day and at night. The drone features true vertical shooting, allowing for effortless capture of tall landmarks and providing the perfect orientation for social media sharing. The DJI Mini 3 drone offers creative features such as quick shots and panorama, allowing for dynamic flight patterns and capturing stunning views. The drone includes the new DJI RC, which has the DJI Fly app pre-installed and a built-in 5.5-inch HD display for clear viewing even in direct sunlight. The DJI Mini 4 Pro Combo and the DJI Mini 3 drone are both strong contenders in the world of lightweight and compact drones. Both of them offer stunning 4K HDR video capabilities, making them ideal for capturing high-quality aerial footage. However, the Mini 4 Pro Combo has an edge with its 60 FPS video feature, which can lead to smoother footage. Both drones come with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, but the Mini 3 drone can potentially have a longer flight time of 51 minutes compared to the Mini 4 Pro Combo's 45 minutes. The Mini 4 Pro Combo has an omnidirectional obstacle sensing feature, which could provide a safer flying experience. On the other hand, the Mini 3 drone's true vertical shooting could be an appealing feature for users who frequently share content on social media platforms. The Mini 4 Pro Combo also offers active shots 360 degrees for customizable intelligent tracking, while the Mini 3 drone provides creative features like quick shots and panorama. It's worth noting that the Mini 4 Pro Combo is pricier, but it has a higher review score and is more frequently sold compared to the Mini 3 drone.